Hello, Darren here from Drains Clean. This is just a quick video for future customers and present. I'm at a house in Buderim. The guy I've been called into this downpipe here, which runs up to a box gutter on the roof, has been overflowing up in the roof there. So they've called me in because I've got the cameras and the jetters and so forth. I've cut a section out of the base of the downpipe here, and as you can see, this is what we've been confronted with. The mass tree roots actually growing back up to the downpipe there. So what I've done is I've just dug along a little bit to find extra pipe, and I found it over here. It was done wrong in the first place, gone from 100mm back to 90mm pipe. But as we can see here, this is the 90mm pipe I've smashed into, and it's just fully encased with what I believe is palm tree roots, and that there runs all the way down the yard, and as you can see, the whole backyard's just full of palm roots. So we could have 10-15 metres absolutely full of the root. So this pipe here is going to have to be rerun basically. This is just a good scenario when people don't get things checked, because we don't get rain for a while. The trees need it, so they go to the place that holds water, and it's always it's either a storm water or your sewer. So this is a classic example. Thank you.